right. You've given your AI agent brain so it can think, memory so it can remember. But here's the thing, even the smartest brain is so useless if it can't do anything. That's where tools come in. Tools is what your AI agent uses to connect to the world, find information, and actually take action. Tools are like apps, gadgets, or special abilities your agent can use. They give your AI the power to look up info online, store or read data, control other apps, or even send messages. Without tools, your agent is like a smart person stuck in a room with no phone, no internet, no notebook. Without tools. With tools, they are like spies with gadgets, a chef with ingredients, or Iron Man with his suit. So, an API, application programming interface, is just a fancy term for a digital bridge between your AI agent and a different app. Example, you want your AI agent to set a WhatsApp message. It'll use the WhatsApp API. You want it to check the weather. It will use the weather API. You want it to get the latest cricket scores. It uses sports API. Think of an API like a waiter at a restaurant. You are the agent and you tell the waiter the API what you want. The waiter talks to the kitchen and the kitchen is the app. So the kitchen sends the food back to you. Your AI agent doesn't need to know how the kitchen works, just needs to know how to place the order. A database. It's where your agent stores and finds important information. Examples are your agent stores your friend's birthday and in a database so it can remind you. A school project agent saves all your research notes so you don't have to find it later. A mini business agent stores customer names and past orders. Think of a database like a giant filing cabinet. Instead of paper, it has data. Instead of spending hours and hours searching there and there, the answer just pops up instantly. So, internet search is exactly what it sounds like. Your AI agent uses the web to find answers. Example is like you ask your AI agent, find me 3 cool experiments for school. Your AI agent searches online, checks the results, and gives you the best ones. Or you say, what's trending in Roblox this week? It pulls the latest info. It's like giving your AI agent a library card to the world's biggest library in the entire world. The internet. But the cool part is that it doesn't just give you the link. It can read, summarize, and use the info the right way. Isn't that amazing? So, let's see how tools work together. Scenario 1. Planning a school event. The agent uses internet search to find fun games, uses databases to check who's attending, uses API to send invites through email and WhatsApp. Scenario 2. Gaming assistant uses internet search to find new cheats or strategies, uses database to track your progress, uses API to update your leaderboard score. Scenario 3. Birthday reminder agent uses database to store birthdays, uses internet search to find gift ideas, uses API to order gifts automatically. Without tools, your AI agent is like a superhero without that gear, smart but limited. With tools, it can act in the real world, get fresh live information, keep your data organized, connect with other services to make your life easier. And here's the fun part. You can decide what your AI agent tools do. based on what you want. So in this lesson, you'll learn how to connect an API to your AI agent. We'll use a fun one like jokes, weather, or facts. So, and set up a small database to store information your agent will remember. Give your agent an internet search power so it can find fresh info anytime. By the end, you will have your first super tool agent ready to do more than just talk. So, now your AI agent has a brain, memory, and tools. It's starting to look powerful. Next, we're going to see how to trigger your agent so it knows when to act without you always telling it. Because the smartest agent don't just wait. They take actions at the right time.